Why you should not buy a used walk-in cooler or freezer. When it comes to purchasing a walk-in cooler or freezer for your business, it is generally not a good idea to buy a used one. Here's why. First of all, you don't know the equipment's history. A used cooler or freezer could have hidden issues that you're not aware of, such as wear and tear, poor maintenance, or damage from previous use. Secondly, the equipment might not meet current standards depending on how old the equipment is. It may not meet current safety or efficiency standards, which could put your business at risk or result in higher energy bills. Thirdly, the cost savings may not be worth it. While used equipment may be cheaper upfront, the potential for hidden issues or inefficiencies could end up costing more in the long run. Overall, it's usually better to invest in a new walk-in cooler or freezer that comes with a warranty and is up to date with current safety and efficiency standards. If you have any questions about purchasing new refrigeration equipment, feel free to contact us or visit our website at www.unitycoolingsystem.com.